Hi everybody, welcome back to STEAM Sunday. I'm Alice Merkel. I'm the collections assistant here at the Maryland Archaeological Conservation Lab, or the MAC Lab at JECPAT. And welcome back to Artifact Adventure Movie 2, and we're going to be talking about how we wash artifacts. The artifacts just came up from the field, so they're in their bags like metal, brick, shell, and other. But now we're going to start washing them off and kind of seeing what we found. So our materials that we use to wash are toothbrush. I have a soft toothbrush and a harder bristle toothbrush that really help to get some dirt off some artifacts. And then I also have a pipe cleaner for cleaning out pipe stems. I have a basin of good old tap water with a colander in it. So we're going to use some of our other artifacts from the field that we dug up earlier in the first video. If you haven't watched it, take a minute, go watch it, we'll be here. So we're going to go ahead and dump some artifacts in there.
But wait, do we wash all the artifacts? Now down at the screen we actually have a magnet that we use to go over the screen and pick up any pieces of metal. Now metal we don't want to wet wash because it will start to deteriorate even faster. So we use a dry brush or a dry toothbrush in this instance to try to get some of the dirt away from the corrosion and some of the metal surfaces that are still there.
Alright, so when an artifact is clean, go ahead and put it in your screen. So as we wash, we tend to recognize certain groupings and put things in groupings that we think they might belong to. For example, pieces that are really porous, like this piece, might be a piece of animal bone called faunal, so we'll keep all the faunal together. Mortar of different shades, we have some white mortar and then some tan mortar. So a partial pipe bowl and a pipe stem with some other pipe stems. You can see this might be a piece of a pipe bowl. See where it's burnt? Some pieces of ceramic together. We have some glass bottle pieces. This might be a glass bottle base, maybe the kick up, which is the very base of the bottle. Maybe a piece of milk pan. Again, these are all rough guesses. We won't really know until we compare it with our type collection. So now that all of our artifacts are washed, we're going to put this drying tray on our drying rack and let the artifacts fully dry before we move them into the range to really sort things out by type and compare them to our type collection so we can find out what we found exactly in the field. Alright, well join us next week for STEAM Sunday.